These 3 online money-making ideas are great for anyone looking for ways to supplement their income. The first money-making idea is dropshipping. You've probably seen this. Selling products online allowed me to make $1,000 to $2,000 every day for myself. Dropshipping is a form of retail fulfillment where an online business doesn't hold any inventory of the items it sells. When someone places an order, the store instead buys the item from a third party and has it shipped to the customer. As a result, the merchant never sees or handles the product. Dropshipping is a method that has been around for a while, but as e-commerce has developed, it has recently gained popularity. For entrepreneurs who want to launch an online store but do not want to put down a big cash investment up front, it is an alluring business concept. Several aspects set dropshipping apart from conventional retail. In conventional retail, the vendor makes bulk product purchases and maintains a stock of them. Inventory control, delivery, and refunds are all the responsibility of the vendor. Dropshipping involves the supplier managing shipping and returns, while the retailer does not maintain any inventory. A few easy steps must be taken in order to launch a dropshipping business. 1. Choosing a niche is the first step in starting a dropshipping business. You want to pick a market niche for which you have a strong passion. 2. Find suppliers. The following step is discovering suppliers for your goods. Finding suppliers can be done in a number of ways, such as by using AliExpress or CJ dropshipping. 3. Create an online store. After finding suppliers, you must create an online store. To build your store, you can utilize websites like Shopify or WooCommerce. 4. Add items to your store. After creating your online store, you must add items to it. You can make use of the product descriptions and photographs that your supplier offers. 5. Market your store. In order to bring in clients, you must lastly market your store. To sell your products, you can employ influencer marketing, paid advertising, or social media. To be successful with dropshipping, you need to choose the right products, find reliable suppliers, and market your store effectively. It takes time and effort to build a successful dropshipping business, but with hard work and dedication, it is possible to make a significant income. The second money-making idea. The people who develop content that is mostly created by users themselves are known as user-generated UGC creators. This can range from user-generated content on social media sites like TikTok and YouTube to product evaluations and everything in between. Since social media has given UGC artists the resources they need to produce and share their content with a larger audience, they have grown in popularity in recent years. The ability to monetize your content is one of the most important benefits of producing UGC. You can charge for your services and make a good living if you have a sizable audience and consistently publish high-quality content. Consider the scenario when you have a sizable following and are a well-known TikTok user. You may use this audience to your advantage to make money by charging for customized videos for your subscribers. Assume you can create 6 videos every day and charge $50 for a personalized video. You can earn $1,500 per week or $6,000 per month if you work 5 days a week. This is simply an example. The amount of money you can make will vary depending on a number of variables, such as the size of your following, the quality of your posts, and the level of demand of your services. There are a few things you need to do in order to create successful user-generated content and monetize it. 1. Create the following. Creating a following on social media sites like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram is the first step in making money off of your content. You may achieve this by routinely creating compelling content that appeals to your target audience. 2. Create excellent content. To attract and maintain followers, your content needs to be both engaging and of excellent quality. You should make an investment in quality gear, learn how to edit images or videos, and keep up with the most recent fashions. 3. Find your niche. You must identify a niche that distinguishes you from other UGC creators. 4. engage your audience. Developing a devoted following requires active engagement with your audience. Create content that your audience wants to see, reply to comments, and solicit feedback. 5. Get paid for personalized videos. Sell items, or collaborate with sponsors to monetize your content once you've gained a following. You must be devoted, persistent, and prepared to put in the work to succeed as a UGC creator. Gaining a following, creating excellent content, and earning money from your efforts all take time. However, it is feasible to earn a good living as a UGC creator with effort, commitment, and a little innovation. You may become a successful UGC creator and earn $300 per day or more by gaining a following, creating high-quality content, identifying your niche, interacting with your audience, and monetizing your content. In that case, why not give it a shot if you're passionate about producing content? You might end up being the next social media sensation. The third money-making idea is freelancing. If you have a specific skill set, such as writing, graphic design, or web development, you can offer your services as a freelancer. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr are great platforms to find clients and gigs. One of the biggest and most well-known freelance marketplaces is Upwork, where individuals and organizations can find skilled freelancers for their assignments. On this international marketplace, independent contractors can find clients from all around the world. It is definitely possible to earn $300 a day on Upwork. As an example of a resume writer, if you can set your hourly fee at $75 or more, which indicates that working 4 hours a day will get you $300. Or, using James as an example, who charges $500 per hour, you would need to work only 1 hour to earn $300. In order to get started on Upwork, you need to create a freelancer account. It's crucial to properly fill out your profile after creating your account and include any pertinent skills, work experience, and education. This makes it simpler for potential clients to find you. There are thousands of jobs listed every day, which is one of the best things about Upwork. Based on your qualifications, work history, and hourly rate, you can search for positions. Alternatively, you can wait for customers to extend an invitation before applying directly to jobs. Having a thorough and expert profile is essential if you want to be hired on Upwork. For each position you apply for, you should also prepare a strong proposal. Your proposal needs to make a point of highlighting your qualifications, background, and why you're the ideal candidate. You must be professional, have effective communication skills, and produce high-caliber work if you want to succeed on Upwork. Additionally, it is critical to cultivate client relationships and preserve a positive reputation on the platform. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.